Today I am reviewing the PLZ single DIN car stereo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience with a modern infotainment system, the PLZ single DIN car stereo with a 10.1-inch touchscreen is a feature-packed option that transforms a basic dashboard into a smart, connected control center. This system is designed for drivers who want wireless smartphone integration, improved audio quality, and enhanced safety features all in one unit, without paying premium dealership prices. Let's start with one of the biggest highlights: smartphone connectivity. This car stereo supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and importantly, it offers both wired and wireless connection options. That means you can either plug in your phone for a stable connection or go completely wireless for convenience. With voice control support through Siri and Google Assistant, you can handle calls, navigation, messages, and music without taking your hands off the wheel. This significantly improves driving safety and makes everyday commuting much more convenient. Now moving on to the display. This unit features a large 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen, which is a major upgrade compared to traditional car stereos. The screen is bright, responsive, and easy to read even while driving. With a resolution of 1280 by 720, visuals are sharp enough for navigation maps, media playback, and app interaction. The large screen makes it especially useful for GPS navigation and reversing camera display, giving you a clearer and more comfortable viewing experience. One of the standout features of this system is its audio performance. It includes a built-in DSP, or digital signal processing system, which allows precise tuning of sound output. This means better clarity, improved balance, and more control over your audio experience. You also get a 10-band equalizer, which allows you to fine-tune bass, mids, and treble according to your personal preference. Whether you enjoy deep bass, clear vocals, or balanced sound, you can customize everything to match your taste. The stereo also supports dual subwoofer outputs, which significantly enhance bass performance. When connected to a proper audio setup, it delivers deep, powerful sound that can fill the entire vehicle, making music feel more immersive and dynamic. Connectivity is another strong area for this system. It features Bluetooth 5.3 with an independent module and extra antenna, which improves stability and reduces interference. This means clearer calls, smoother music streaming, and fewer connection drops even in busy signal environments. In practical use, Bluetooth performance feels fast and reliable. Whether you're making hands-free calls or streaming music from your phone, the connection remains stable and consistent. Another important feature is the built-in safety system, which includes support for both front and rear cameras. The included backup camera provides a clear, wide-angle view when reversing, making parking much easier and safer. The front camera support adds an extra layer of visibility while driving, which can be especially helpful in tight traffic situations or unfamiliar roads. Additionally, the system integrates steering wheel control compatibility, allowing you to manage volume, calls, and music without taking your hands off the wheel. This improves both safety and convenience while driving. From a connectivity standpoint, the unit also functions as a versatile hub. It includes multiple audio and video inputs and outputs, USB connectivity, and fast charging support up to 3A. This ensures your devices stay powered during long drives while maintaining full multimedia functionality. One thing to note is that this system does not include built-in Wi-Fi hotspot functionality, so internet-based features will rely on your smartphone connection. Installation is fairly flexible since it supports both single DIN and double DIN dash openings. But depending on your vehicle, you may need additional adapters or professional installation for best results. In terms of overall user experience, what stands out most is how much functionality is packed into one system. It combines smartphone integration, high-quality audio tuning, safety camera support, and a large modern touchscreen interface into a single upgrade for your car. It effectively replaces older factory radios with a modern infotainment system that feels closer to what you would find in newer vehicles. Of course, it's important to be realistic. This is not a luxury OEM system, but for its category, it offers excellent value and a wide range of features that significantly enhance everyday driving. Overall, the The PLZ 10.1-inch car stereo is a powerful all-in-one upgrade for drivers who want modern connectivity, better audio, and improved safety features. If you're looking to modernize your car dashboard with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, a large touchscreen, and upgraded sound control, this system is definitely worth considering.